Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to retrieve your data from your Google account. This is a great way to back up data from services like Gmail, Google Photos, Drive, and more. So let's get started. Open your Google application on your smart device and check if you are signed into your account. By opening the Google application on the home page in the upper right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture, which you will click. Then, on the next page, in the drop-down menu, you will find the option, Manage Your Google Account, and click on it. By clicking on the Manage Your Google Account option, a new page will open where you will look for the option, Date and Privacy under your profile picture in the track with options and click on it. Then, on the next page, also in the drop-down menu, you will look for the Download Your Data option and click on it. On the archiving pages, you'll see a list of all the Google services you use, such as Gmail, Drive, Photos, and Calendar. By default, everything is selected. If you only want certain data, deselect the services you don't need. We will select the calendar application and tick it, and then we will go down to the end and click on the next step option. Here you will choose the delivery method, file type, and size. I recommend choosing email download link as your delivery method and choosing a manageable file size, like 2 GB. Once you've set your settings, click Create Export. Depending on the amount of data, this process can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours. Google will notify you by email when the download is ready. When you receive the email, open it and click the download link. You must sign into your Google account to verify your identity. Once verified, your data will begin downloading as a zip file. Once the download is complete, unzip the file to access your data. You'll find everything organized by terms, which makes it easy to navigate. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded your Google account information. This is a great way to back up your dates or prepare to switch to a new account or service. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.